to the next video. So today I will show you how to render a PDF without any third-party library in React Native's new architecture. And in this video we will render a PDF from provided the PDF is in your project. So I already have a video on how to load a PDF from a URL, so you can check that out. But in this video it will be only for Android, and it will be loading a PDF from your project. Next important thing which I have to ask you guys is, so I am facing some issue on iOS. Like, I have created several videos on iOS Fabric with React Native's new architecture, but from since last 2 days I am facing this issue. I'm not sure, like, I have tried to do everything, but if you be kind enough to upvote this question, or if you know the answer you can answer it as well, that would be greatly appreciated. So that if once I get an answer to this question, I can quickly put out a video for iOS as well, like how to render PDF on iOS with URL, as well as from local project as well. So for Android, first I have just created a React Native project. Then you have to enable the new architecture. So just create a sample React Native project and just search for new arc enabled. You have to make this as true in Gradle.properties. Next you have to go to Fabric Native components, and you have to create this folder. Again, this folder is outside the React Native project, but in our case it should be inside, otherwise you will face lot of issues. So just create before that, before I forget, just go to build.gradle of your Android and add this. Again, the Kotlin version should be 1.8 and not below that, otherwise you will face lot of issues. It is because like I will tell you, because we are using an third-party dependency called touch image view for zoom in and zoom out of PDF, and if you use 1.7 or 1.6, it causes a lot of Gradle sync issues. So I had to upgrade it to Kotlin 1.8. Okay, next you have to add these dependencies as well. Also go to app build.gradle, add this, apply plugin Kotlin, and you have to add this as well. Okay, don't worry about this as well as this, because don't worry about this and this should be already present. Swipe refresh layout should already be present once you create a React Native project. So this I have added just for my own debugging purposes. You don't need to add it over here, but you have to add it in the build.gradle of your RTN my PDF viewer. Okay, so once you have added Kotlin, create this folder RTN my PDF viewer, create a JS, then create this file. Again, I have copied it from documentation, and here we don't need anything, okay, because we will be loading a file from our local directory, and I already know the name of it, and just this name should be changed. Next, go to Android, create a build.gradle file. Again, I have copied it from documentation. Only add this, apply plugin Kotlin Android, also add this, and you have to add these two dependencies. This one is for managing coroutines, and this one is for touch image view, because we want zoom in zoom out feature in inside our PDF viewer. And next you also have to change this. Next you have to go to you have to create this src main java com rtn my PDF viewer, and here you have to create this package file. And on line level, for now you just have to write return empty list instead of return collections dot, because you have not done code generation yet. So just write this. Okay, next what you have to do is you have to go to the root of your React Native project and just run this command. Okay, in the documentation there would be double dot, but we have to follow single dot because this project folder is already inside our React Native project. So just do a single dot. Next what you have to do is you have to cd to your Android directory. So I will show you. Cd to your Android directory in terminal and run this command. So this will do code generation for you. Next you have to go to create this file mypdfviewer.kt. Again, we are not using this dependency. Okay, most Android users use this dependency. Again, I would recommend not to use, because the last commit was 4 years ago, just use the PDF renderer which is recommended by Google. So here I have copied, again I don't understand much of the code, but I have copied it from the documentation. But what basically it does is that first we have to create this PDF renderer, then we have to set up that PDF. This method we have created so that we can swipe up and down the pages, and this sample.pdf. So be careful what you are passing the name over here. So inside my main Android folder, app src main, I have created this assets folder. Okay, and inside that assets folder I have this sample.pdf. So what, again make sure this PDF is inside your assets folder, otherwise again it won't work. You can't put it anywhere inside your project. And make sure the name is correct. So whatever your PDF name is, then call render PDF and call this. Again this is reading the file from assets, and this is the rendering the PDF. This is for having that up and down swipe, and again this is for moving the pages when you move it up and down. I have named this incorrect. The method name should be swipe up and swipe down. Okay, this should be swipe down and this should be swipe up, or vice versa, but I think I missed this out. That's okay. And this is for showing your PDF. So here you can see we are converting that PDF into a bitmap and then rendering over our PDF renderer. So this is the actual code for it. Now you have to go to my PDF view manager, create this class. Again I have copied it from documentation. Only change the file name, and Java code has been converted to Kotlin code. Make sure this is RT in my PDF viewer. And this again I have copied it from Stack Overflow. So this does the actual swiping of up and down swipe of your PDF. And in my PDF view manager, you have instead of returning empty list, you now have to return this. Okay, now go to app.tsx and you can import it something like this and use it like this. So I will just show you a quick video about it as well. So here you can see my project is building, but once it has been built, still bundling the project. Okay, and here you can see I have displayed the PDF, and I can swipe top or up to display the page. I can zoom in, zoom out as well. Also I forgot to show you guys how to the output of loading a PDF from a URL. So here I have a 10 MB PDF file which I am loading from URL. So I wanted to show it that as well in this video. I forgot to show it in you guys in the last video. So okay. So here it is first downloading the file. If you want, you can show a progress bar as well, but the download is quick. Now you can see I am swiping up and down to display the PDF. I can zoom in, zoom out as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.